Are you ready to go home, Mom?
No.
You're not ready to go home? You want to stay here?
Really? No, I don't. I want to stay back a little while up here.
Till you get better, right?
Yeah.
And then you and Aunt Dolores can hit the streets when you get better.
Right.
You and talk about old times.
Oh, buddy. We got some old times.
You got some stories to tell, huh?
Some that I don't even believe.
How bad my daddy was?
I don't believe.
Was my daddy a bad daddy?
Your dad, he was bad.
What did he do? Who would he do, Mom?
Like to slap people around. But he got his fair too.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
You beat him up?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Well, you know I did. Well, you know I did.
Oh, you beat my daddy up?
Yeah.
Well, he wouldn't hit you, would he? No, my daddy wouldn't do that.
No, he wouldn't do that like that.
You'd beat him up if he did. So what you gonna do when you get out of here?
Well,
you gonna move in with me? You gonna come move in with me?
In where you're at?
Yep.
In there?
I got my bed right next to me.
Yeah.
You and your little dog.
And my little dog.
Yep.
He'd like that.
Yep.
They love little poopy dogs.
Like the little poopy dogs. So you're gonna move in with me, right?
Yep.
Okay. So you're gonna stay here till you get better, right? And then, is that pill starting to hit you yet? You're starting to feel a little calmer, though. You look a little calmer.
Maybe, yeah.
It's just to take the edge off.
I know.
It ain't gonna knock you out.
I know.
But it's just enough to relax you. Then you can sleep. Yeah.
What was that?
A Xanax.
Xanax.
Yeah. You haven't had one of them in a long time.
I had some a long time ago. But...
Yeah, well, maybe this will do the trick. Okay. All right.